Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert drop-down list in WPS Spreadsheet. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Data tab, and after that you need to select the cell where you want to insert drop-down list. For example, I select this one cell, and then I click on this one option, Insert Drop-down List. It will let you to create a drop-down list and customize choices drop-down. So I click on this option, and now I select this option, Add Choices drop down manually. For example, I type here January, then I click on this option to add another choice. For example, I type here February, and I click again on this option to add another option, and last one option will be merge. Then I click OK button, and now if you will try to implement here any data, you will see here this icon. If you click on it, you will see here three options, January, February, and March. For example, I select here January, and how you see it really works, yeah? If you want to copy this from one to other cells, you need to click Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V somewhere here, or somewhere here. And then you'll be able to select here one from available options. For example, I will select here February, here I will select January, and here maybe I will select March. So in this way you can insert drop-down list in WPS Spreadsheet. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.